Good morning all. Today we have discussed supervised machine learning. Supervised learning is the type of machine learning in which machines are trained using well-labeled training data, and on the basis that data machines predict the output. The label data means some input data is already tagged with the correct output. Okay. Now suppose this one is a labeled data and another in is a unlabeled data. Now this using the model training and get the prediction of the data. Okay, first in label data there are some shapes, that is a hexagonal, triangle, uh, square, rectangle, and label data is the naming of the in which that is the mention that hexagon, triangle, and square. Now this model that is the in training and get the prediction between who is the square, who is the triangle, and test the data. Okay, now in this unit we have learned ridge regression, gradient descent algorithm with the include the main concept is the bias and variance. Okay, now first of all we have discussed what is bias. Okay, now bias is a machine learning model analysis the data, find patterns in it and make prediction. Okay, now in short, low bias and high bias, these are the type of bias. Okay, for example, daily routine example is that is the real time, that is in COVID period. Okay, now in COVID period, we have gather gather for the some moment, that is the vaccination. Okay, now these are the bias. Okay, now when vaccination done, we have stay on the our home. Okay, that is the variance. Okay, now low bias means a low bias model will make fewer assumption about the form of the target function. Okay, now high bias means that a model with the high bias makes more capture the important feature of our data set. Okay, now variance means what? Variance means you usually depending the variables about the known the model. Okay, now we have discussed about the steps involved in supervised learning. Okay, that is the main of the step is the first determine the types of training data set, collect gather the label training data, split the training data set into training data set, test data, and validation data set. Okay, now the type of supervised learning, that is there are two types of supervised learning, that is a regression and classification. Okay, now regression means what? Regression algorithm are used if there is a relationship between the input variable and the output variable. It is used for the prediction of continuous variable such as, for example, weather forecasting, market trends. Below are some popular regression. Okay, that is the many types of regression. Okay, first one is a linear regression tree, non-linear regression, Bayesian linear regression, and polynomial regression. Okay, thank you.